Ish is tiny but useful, especially in informal English. We add ish to the ends of words to make them more vague when something is not exact. For example, ish makes times more approximate. So 2-ish is about 2 o'clock. Okay, I'll see you there at 2-ish. We also add ish to other numbers. So 40-ish is about 40. I'm not sure how old she is. 40-ish, I think. We add ish to many adjectives such as colours. So if something is kind of brown, we say it's brownish. My coat's the brownish one, over there. And if someone is quite tall, we can say they are tallish. I'm tallish with longish brown hair. Finally, because ish has become so popular, it's become its own word in informal English as a way to say kind of.
Did you like the film?
Yeah, ish. I hope you found this video useful, ish.